How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Adam. What is your name?
My name is Lena.
Nice to meet you, Lena.
Nice to meet you too, Adam. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. Where are you from?
I am from Egypt.
Do you like your country?
Yes, I like my country very much. Do you like your country?
Yes, I like my country too.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old. How old are you?
I am 26 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student. What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English. What do you study?
I study English.
Do you like studying English?
Yes, I like studying English. Do you like teaching English?
Yes, I like teaching English very much.
Is English easy or difficult for you?
English is easy for me. And you?
Yes, it is easy and fun. How do you feel today?
I feel happy today. What about you?
I feel calm and relaxed.
Is today a good day?
Yes, today is a good day. Is it a good day for you too?
Yes, it is a good day for me. What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up early. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up early too.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning. What about you?
I drink coffee in the morning too.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast at home. And you?
Yes, I eat breakfast before work.
What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I work and teach students. What do you do in the afternoon?
I study and practice English.
Do you study at home or outside?
I study at home. Where do you work?
I work at a school.
Do you like your daily routine?
Yes, I like my daily routine. Do you like your routine?
Yes, I like it because it is calm.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I relax and watch TV. What do you do in the evening?
I relax and watch movies.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I like watching movies. What about you?
I like watching TV too.
Do you read books in the evening?
Yes, I read books sometimes. Do you read books?
Yes, I read books before sleep.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. And you?
My favorite color is white.
Why do you like white?
Because white is clean and calm. Why do you like blue?
Because blue is relaxing.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. What about you?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking sometimes. And you?
No, I don't like cooking.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I listen to music. What about you?
I read and walk outside.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music very much. And you?
Yes, I like calm music.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I walk every day. What about you?
Yes, I like walking too.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I practice English every day.
How is the weather today?
The weather is nice today. How is the weather where you are?
It is sunny and warm.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I like it very much. Do you like cold weather?
No, I do not like cold weather. Do you like cold weather?
No, I like warm weather.
What do you wear in cold weather?
I wear a jacket and a scarf. And you?
I wear a coat.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family. What about you?
I have a family, and there are 5 people in my family. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family. And you?
I live with my brother.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I like my home. And you?
Yes, my home is comfortable.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping sometimes. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping too.
Where do you go shopping?
I go shopping at the supermarket. What about you?
I go shopping at the mall. Do you like eating at home?
Yes, I like eating at home. It is healthy.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like.
Which country do you want to visit?
I want to visit Italy.
Do you like traveling by plane?
Yes, I like traveling by plane.
Do you like hotels?
Yes, I like staying in hotels.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will study English. What about you?
I will go to work. See you soon, Lena.
See you soon, Adam. Take care.
Take care. Goodbye.
Goodbye.